welcome to Chennai.
Well, thank you so much. Yeah.
Warm, yeah, literally warm.
Uh, well, I guess that's exactly what we were discussing, and I'm really happy to be over here because I think that's something which is very part of my existence, part of the wellness journey that I kind of I swear by. So I think whatever right now that is being offered here, the Bio Revive, it's everything that I actually you know, periodically, regularly, I use all of these treatments. I swear by these treatments. That's what I was just telling Ashway as well. That I think it's a mix of both. It has to be internal, external. You know, if you have to maintain a certain wellness journey, or if you feel that wellness, you want to make it a part of your daily routine, then you need to. It is a combination of internal and external. So what you eat, how you sleep, your treatments that you do, and I think these kind of treatments really help you in terms of a certain amount of longevity. Great for skin, great for your collagen, great for, so there are a whole lot of benefits. Sleep is something which is so good when you do these treatments. It's amazing. People underestimate what the kind of benefits that some of these treatments have, and I would genuinely urge people to kind of make it part of their wellness routine. So however, whether it's once in 10 days or once a week or whatever, you have to find what works best in your schedule. But the good thing about these places and treatment is that you come, you put your phone away, enjoy some me time, which is so very essential in today's day and age. We really do take all of that for granted. So make use of it. And I think it's a fantastic
Thank you,
thing.
thank
what
you
you've
so
said.
very much. Yeah, as Malika just said, right, it's a part of a lifestyle. So that is how it has become in the recent days for a lot of people. And I want to bring about more awareness to all the other people to, urge to take these kind of treatments, to understand that, your beauty, your health, everything is interconnected. It's not just what you apply on the outside, it is how you lead your life, how you relax. A lot of us have, these unknown headaches, neck pain, back pain, a lot of issues, sleep disturbances, mental health recently has been, in a dip. So all this, it's all interconnected. So you need to understand that, and cell biology is very important in your body. You need to revive your cells to perform their best. So that's why Bio Revive.